Actually, I'm going to discuss about how to fix type HashMap does not take parameter. So if I write HashMap integer string, and this is the object and new HashMap. So if I take the cursor at this point, there I'm getting error message type HashMap does not take any parameter. So if I remove the parameter, now you can see there is still a same problem. So again, if I take here type HashMap does not take any parameter, cannot infer type argument to HashMap. So how can we fix this kind of issue? So first, just undo this all. The next thing is, here you can see I created the class name HashMap and this HashMap both are same. So you cannot do like this. And first here we need to import java dot util dot. So here we need to import HashMap. Okay, so now here you can see the problem that has gone. Redundant type argument new versus new in expression, this kind of message that I'm getting. But now here you can see this is the red mark on the package. So the here you can see HashMap is already defined. So HashMap already is there, so that this red marks that come on the package. So you cannot do like this. So first here, here this is now, if I give the star, so there is the problems. Okay, so if you give in place of star, you set right here HashMap. So the problem that has gone. Now you can see the class name. Here the class name must be different, so that it will not return any error. So suppose here if I change the class name, let's give HashMap1. Okay, so here public declare file name HashMap. So it's missing because I created this HashMap name. So the name of class and package name cannot be same. So here you can see this is the class name, that is difference, and package name, this is difference. Now you can, after that you cannot get any error. Okay, so first you need to import this HashMap package. After that class name must be different, both cannot be same. Then you cannot get this parameter kind of error at these places. So I hope guys you understand how to fix this issue. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.